Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we got something that would be really great in the old workshop or garage. A VEVOR folding work table, and it's 2-in-1. It can be used as a sawhorse or a workbench. In a workbench situation, you could have two of them, and with these hangers on each side, you could connect the two together with a board in between and make a nice big long work table. You get the user manual, and in here it's going to tell you what you get with the table, and what you get is you get the work stand, one of them, and you get quick clip clamps, and that is number B is right here, and this is a clamp that you can connect to the bench and you can work it back and forth. We'll show those later. You also get 4 of these clamp dogs right here, and they fit into these holes and allow you to tighten material up to it and use it as a stop. They're actually dog stops, and they do make all types of clamps that you can put into these various holes to clamp material down to work on, like planing and various things, or hold it together to glue or drill. And also you get 2 joiners. That's these pieces, and these are used, and I'll show you in the locations here, to join 2 work tables together. And then you finally get these 2 hangers, and this will hold a 2x4 in it, one for either side. Let's now look at the features of the Sawhorse and folding work table, and I'm going to go to the legs and demonstrate those. Here are the catches that hold the individual legs in place, one on either side and then one on the other side. This is in the folded position right here, and we're going to open it up here in just a moment. But this is the way you adjust it. You push down on this, pull it out, that's at the 0 position all the way down. Then you have all the way up to 7. You pick the number you want. Let's say you want 4, that one. Then you can just simply, you don't even have to look at it. You pull this one out to the position you want. There, now there's locked. And this one the same way, to 4. And this one, but I push on this, pull out, and then I push until I lock it in position, and then push back. And there it is. You can pick it up like this. This is the way they show picking it up. Just like this, and you can carry it. It's not heavy. And I'm going to open it up. And to do that, you just pull it, and there. And here's the catches right underneath here. There's one and there's one, and that releases it. And to pull it up, it just locks and you hear it snap. Same way with this side, it has 2 catches underneath. You pull them, makes it really easy if you just need one side. Then if you want Sawhorse, both of them, and you've got it right there, a Sawhorse. And this is where these mount. There's the 2 little pegs, and this fits right on here, and it locks in place. And there's where the 2x4 can go across. And then one on the other end, same thing. And so I'll just pull it around. So you see right here. Then I lift this up if I want a work table. Here you have a protractor, and that would be very handy if you need it. These slots, there's no explanation as to what their real purpose is. You can do whatever you want with it, but I've seen that you could push this down through here and clamp something. See, in other words, you could clamp a piece of material. Let's see if I can find a piece of material. Right here. Let's just say this. Just put this up, and then you squeeze, and you could have it down in here. And if you needed to work on that. Now, you could put a dog in there like this. You can push this around and have it secure on there like that. Just like this hole, use it however you can. Okay, and that goes around like that. Okay, this clamp goes right in here like this. These two little ears, and you have to insert it like this. And you can insert it in either end, kind of wiggle it. See, and you could put it in from that end. So, like this, just kind of, you have to be parallel with it. Then you go down, and this right here is a little lock that goes in to this little area right here. So you have to have this off at that point to use that. So you pull this, and then this little lock right here will go down in that slot and keep it from moving around. So there, it's a little lock. And then you can still work it up. And if you want to move this, you can move this end this way. Or you can move this end like this. And hold that for some reason. Put that in there and squeeze it. And then I've got it held. Okay, so that's the basic use of this clamp. And to release it, just pull that out, pull this back. Now, like the two benches, if you have two of these and you want to connect them side by side, you can use these connectors right here. Push that in there, that there, and then you put your other work table there. Of course, this is going to have to come off, and then this will go into their relative ports. So that's pretty much it. And when you're done, you just fold this back up, and it's pretty easy. Clip these, that goes down, clip this, goes down, and then, oh, before we put her up, you see you have this table down here that will allow you to put your tools, supplies, parts, nails, everything you need down there. Now when you're ready to fold it up, you just push down, pull up on this, put that down. I'm ready to take it somewhere, to the truck or something. All right, or to the work site. There you go, and it's easy enough to fold back out. You grab this, pull that out, and this goes all the way down and stops it anymore, and you're ready to go again. One other thing let's point out is it has a really nice scaled ruler on each of the ends of these platforms or tables, and so you got measuring locations all the way around. So it's they've thought of everything. Folks, I think this VEVOR folding table plus Sawhorse could really solve a lot of things that you need to do around the house or that garage. It's a table and a Sawhorse, and it has all these little clamps and dogs that will help with those projects. I want to thank you very much for watching my video.